you don't really want to put nothing upon nobody, like, if you say, hey, cause when you look on some of them people, and some of them people are just not have nothing to do, and you look on the last 5 years, right? For what I see in the last 5 years, these people got to be desperate as hell to sit up here and have absolutely nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about, yeah? 5 years. And we could go into the 5 years and laugh at these people. Good? Yeah, we can. Right? Now, when me look on it, not for them people, not for them old before them young. Them look sappy, them look droopy, them look like shit. Me not lie. Now imagine, 5 years bring us a beautiful soul, yeah? And it is confusing in a way to other people where they have to get to know the Lord for their self and go to him and all of these things. See, the shit that I don't like, see, I'm trying to pretty up language, and this the part that be making me get a tongue headache. Like, to sit down and to see one woman eat her food, and whatever she's saying out her mouth, it ain't their goddamn business. They just don't have a thing to do. They don't have shit to do on this here Sunday morning. Some of them play with God. Some of them do all types of shit. Like for me, see, I'm a different level to this, right? A different type of person to this. A lot of them ain't going, like, look at the people. Look at some of them, though. Look at some of them. Seriously. That's even up talking right now. Look at some of them. They look good. No, they don't look good. They don't look good. All of this shit is just for content, and that's it. Instead of 5 years, they take something, a page out of a black woman or a black man that is successful out of their book and do something with it. They are rather to look like the prime example of a jackass. And then when you looking at this person and you looking at who they talking to, it's too much goddamn questions. It should be none of your business or none of their business at all, because they ain't cape up to nothing. They not cape up to nothing. They not cape up to nothing at all. And you could see it and you could tell. When they go to different places other than Facebook, they asses get banned. Right? Because ain't nobody, they don't live like how people live. You understand me? They live in shame. They live in shamefulness. They live in embarrassment. I'm not afraid to say it, because neither one of these hoes that got their papers to just come over in America can't talk to me about shit. They come, they talk silly shit. Today's Sunday. Why she ain't in church? Why they ain't in church? It ain't like they worked last night. They don't have a mother thing to talk about. That woman got a doctorate yesterday. It shouldn't be none of their business. Because for me, once you already get caught up into certain things, I don't know how y'all Jamaican people play, but half of them needed to be cut off already. You hear what I tell you? I'm not going to change my language for a goddamn thing. I'm behaving myself. Right? You don't just get up. Either you want some money or you want content. Girl, boy, it ain't that deep. If it's a loan, I'm a loan shark. You just got to give me extra. But to get the fuck up and talk about somebody that don't look like you in real life or online, I think you just need to have a fucking seat. My mama D businesswoman deserve everything that she get. Any one of them that's talking, they can't do a goddamn thing to her. Nothing. Now you know they have to be deep down into a barrel to just sit there. If I was you, I wouldn't stay there. I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do that. Start that shit. Start that shit if you want. While everything on the surface of being quiet, start that shit. Because a lot of people don't know about y'all. Y'all are embarrassing and y'all pathetic. No one can do good. Even if she leave y'all for the next 5 years, y'all are done with. Right? And this is the reason why people choose to talk shit all the time. And I refuse to make them talk a fucking thing because they need to mind their business. One thing about it, there is people that lives around the corner from this businesswoman that can really identify what I'm saying. These hoes don't mean shit. Anything that they do to try to bring her down, don't they know that they can't? The more they do and the more they try to do, don't you think that is more ugliness on them? Look at them. I just came from work and get out the shower. I'm all good. I could go for days on my feet, months, years, never make a change, and keep going fresh. That's why I pick it up on myself and I say I'm going to celebrate her. I'm going to celebrate her even if she on her goddamn day off. In America, I'm going to celebrate her. Yeah, do man that I not sit down around and see it now. You understand? And she did not talk her feelings. She's supposed to talk her feelings. They need to just go on and mind their business. They could have been further than they are today. They just ain't shit, and that's what it is. That's what time it is. They ain't shit. They lost their way. In 5 years, they couldn't do nothing. Let me run a list of line down. They couldn't do a goddamn thing in 5 years. Them hoes ain't want to make no change. They in the bottom of the bottom. They don't deserve to be online. They don't have shit to offer. Every time that woman turn her back, she go this way, she go that way. They gotta be watching her. Nothing but a word. Tired of them. Look how beautiful. Come on. At the emerald green. Come on now. Back the fuck up, you ugly motherfucker. You twice your goddamn age, bitch. You need to slow down. You need to go back to church. How many times you gonna leave church and go back and leave church? That ain't what the church wants you to do, baby. The church don't want you to do shit like that. That's playing with the Lord. That's why you can't get blessing the way how you need to. I feel like going to speech therapy and, getting to know America the right way and get to know all the places that you don't fucking know. I think that's all for you to do. Y'all come out here and I'll be really looking at them. I'll be like, but they ain't got no style. They ugly as shit. And I'm talking about they some young folks too. I'm like, God damn, she ugly. God damn, he ugly. But this is the shit that they doing to their self, though. I feel like if you went to her house and you had to switch code and change up and act, I think you just need to be quiet. It's levels to this thing. I'm quite sure. And what pissed me off the most, all the time when they go to Jamaica, they don't have a fucking word to say. They don't have nothing to say. And that's what trips me out. And I guess because I'm too serious. And if I have something to say to somebody, I'll pull up on them. But I mean, look at them. They get on my nerves. Look at them for real. Look at them, goddamn. They ugly as shit. What the hell is she talking about on her page this morning? She's supposed to be taking her ass to church. Young girl like that, looking twice her age. Like, come on, man. You could have been all right all through these years. You could have been working. You could have been working on something. Y'all ain't got a goddamn thing. Y'all ain't got shit to do. Do y'all realize and understand how shameful y'all is as Jamaican people when y'all sit there and talk shit? Throwing shade and shit. The real people in the real world they ain't looking at y'all, yo. Just look at y'all and y'all be a joke. I'm from the Jamaica where we laugh at fucking people like y'all, yo. Y'all are some negative ass, ugly ass, and then y'all gotta blah, baby. Cause what nobody know of y'all, yo. Who ain't spitting in napkin, using saliva to wash their goddamn face. Why she can't just have her moment? It's appropriate for her to do whatever she wanting to do. She already win. She at dinner. Didn't you hear the preacher prophesy over her or her saying it? Yeah. She'll be all right. She could talk whatever the fuck she wanting to talk, girl. And I wish y'all would come with the kiss my ring shit. Come over here with the bullshit when y'all just came over here. Y'all fucking paperwork's shaky as shit, getting ready to fall out y'all hand because y'all don't deserve it. Y'all background is shit. Y'all ain't going no goddamn where, nigga. Ain't no other way to say it because y'all have drunkard spirit, blind mind spirit, envious spirit. Go on and do what y'all used to do. The shit that y'all used to do that people used to cheer y'all on, y'all lose that shit, throw it down just to be body security and watchdog. She'll do whatever the fuck she want to do. This ain't like last year, the year before that, the year before that, the year before that. None of that. Ain't no iffy washy shit. The Lord know who is who. He know who changed and who's still there and who stay loyal and all the extra shit to go with it. He know it. Fuck y'all be talking about. Y'all too young. Y'all too young, man. Y'all too young. I bet you if y'all go over there on TikTok right now, they ain't gonna fuck with y'all. Y'all go anywhere else, they ain't gonna fuck with y'all. Stop acting like y'all size up to that woman. Y'all don't size up to her. Not when y'all was in Jamaica, or over here. Out there in Jamaica, she doing way better than y'all when y'all was out there. And then over here, y'all look bad as fuck. I'm ready to pack up my suitcase and go ask them if they got a room or they got another house that I could buy or something. A little one room for when I go down there. I could just sit right there in my office. Because y'all don't make no sense and that's the truth. I'm only trying to pretty it up right now. But it's the truth. Because I got me a fine little date to go on. Bro, all my videos I be going to work. Or I come home from work. These bitches ain't got nothing to do. They can't celebrate another black person. That is a problem in itself. Right? It's a problem in itself. They can't celebrate nobody because nobody can't celebrate them. Celebrate what? Them bitches don't deserve no, check that. They don't deserve shit. No stars, no nothing. They ain't got no looks. They ain't got no swag. They ain't got no congratulating spirit with them. They ain't got shit with them. Play a fucking hater while we play a congratulator. That's why I love who I love and you can find me where I pull up. I tell them, don't bate security me. Cause I throw some shit in y'all face. On some real shit. Every day, honey. Every day. Even when I'm in jail. Fucking Facebook prisoners, they like, yo, Ping Ping. Is these Jamaican people for real? They don't like the green armor dress yesterday? They don't like nothing else about her. Man, get them the fuck out of here. Tell them that you good in Facebook jail every time you come. Tell them you got you got one of the you got the worst record out of everybody on Facebook. Tell them you don't give a fuck. Cause of one pathetic nigga. And I'm showing them like this is real life. I don't give no shit. Stop fucking with her. Y'all don't size up to her arguments. The best thing to do is to go and go say what you need to say. Then I could respect y'all gangster. Y'all can't do it because y'all know what time it is, so y'all can't do it. Nobody down there ain't gonna let y'all do it. They gonna tell her, go to work, mom, go to work. You understand me? Go to work. And leave your door open. So why ain't the same thing over here? Well, I'm drawing that goddamn line. It's the same shit over here. Y'all acting like y'all know people. Like the shit that y'all be saying. Just, I see y'all as being down the fuck hill. Right? Compared to a businesswoman, man. Y'all get y'all little sister talking bitch asses out of here, man. And that's on some real shit. Because for real, y'all talking. But if it was somebody else that'll pull up on y'all and bust y'all melon, y'all wouldn't be saying all that. But I know what time it is. See, I'm business too. And it's just a coincidence that I work in the asset protection. And I know exactly what y'all trying to do. Y'all can't dim her like no day at all. And I'm going to tell y'all the reason why. That ugly bitch over there, I'm going to tell you the reason why too. Why you over there running your goddamn mouth. I don't hate you, girl, because you hate your goddamn self. You in America and living a shitty ass life. I'm going to tell you why. Who God bless no man curse. He know that he couldn't rely on none of these ugly ass, sad ass hoes in the last 5 years to do what that woman do. It ain't that nobody else ain't doing what she doing. It's something about her. See, that's why the third eye is open. Because y'all some fucking idiots. And then y'all be nasty as shit trying to go in front of her face, give her hugs and daps and shit like that. If I was around her, I'll slap y'all fucking hands away. No. It's a no. It's only for selective. That's it. None of yous. Y'all go across guidelines all the time. And to be honest, one of them angels that walk around her just feel sorry for y'all. That's it. Because y'all don't have no room to say absolutely nothing. Don't y'all see y'all sloppy as shit? Y'all look like sloppy fucking Joe. Like, how old are you, baby? How old are you? What, you like 30 something? Man, sit the fuck down, man. And leave her the fuck alone, bro. There's so many other shit to talk about. Y'all leave all the bad holes that need to be talked about on the fucking daily because of the shit that they have done. And y'all have been out here for the last 5 years. Come the fuck on. What is it that y'all want that y'all can't just say, you know what, so-and-so, I'm in need. Or, you know what I'm saying, I just need a little help or I need a little something. Other than that, y'all bitches ain't got nothing to talk about. I ain't hear y'all saying nothing about the things that I stand up on 5 years motherfucking later, bitch. And that's for real. So all of y'all be thinking that it's a joke and shit like that. Okay, keep on thinking it's a fucking joke if y'all want to. It's not right. It's insipid. It's distasteful. Fuck y'all mean. And y'all wear woman clothes. I mean, I don't pay attention to them goddamn people. Once I saw them and keep on seeing their behavior, it's shit. It is shit. The other day, I had me a rich person, right? And I'm just going to tell y'all this to shut their asses up. So you never know who watching y'all, right? All right. So the person asked me, well, what you talking about? What you be talking about on your page? Why you be going off? Well, I told him, I said, it's a beautiful soul back home where I was born, blah, 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 whoop-de-whoop. And he said, oh, I get it. And when I asked the question that I asked, because it's a business person, they told me that I'm exactly right. So I don't give a fuck about what my Jamaican community say. People like those gonna make me come back out here so everybody, because I know it's a lot of people that have virgin ears. Well, these bitches ain't no virgin. They nasty. They don't have absolutely nothing to do. Nobody should pay them any attention. What are y'all trying to do in this lifetime? Sit there and watch one woman. Seem like y'all need some fucking water boots and a security uniform. Because I don't see it. Early in the morning, over here in America. What the fuck you talking about? Go to church. Go to church. Go get to know the Lord. You gonna have him to come back from around that corner and watch y'all sniffing ass. And y'all don't have nothing. I mean, y'all so wicked too. That's why that's why I'm happy Stacy is who she is. And she'll never show her goddamn face. Stacy don't never show her face. It's always Pink that be talking. Because I don't feel sorry for none of them hoes. Stacy be on the best behavior, good shit. I can't do it. Because number one, it's a whole lot to bear. And you know what I do? You know what I do? I think about her. I think about that businesswoman like when she off. Because she's a regular person. Everybody have that time. Rich, poor, in between, business, non-business. Y'all have a day that y'all reflect, right? None of them ain't doing that. I don't need no credit for that shit. I'm getting it from the Most High. Despite of what I sound like, I choose. It's a choice to sound like this. Pretty up what? It's a lot of pretty women on social media, ain't it? Well, I gotta be myself. Them hoes ain't worth nothing. Ask them about their record in Jamaica. What have they been doing in the last 5 years? Come on, man. We see one woman, no matter how much stone they throw at her. I swear to God, watch. Every stone that they throw at her, watch she gonna take it and make another house, another mansion. They gonna be mad because this is the fucking truth. Every stone before, build her a mansion out there. And every other stone and the boxy security shit that they be on. Watch how she gonna do things. If she didn't know the Lord, I wouldn't be right here. See, y'all judge that woman because of some pathetic, despicable ass dumb shit, and it only make people look away from her. Oh, we don't see nothing. And look at y'all. See, that's where it's at. Show us. Y'all ain't no fucking content creators. Y'all some miserable ass young people that can't find y'all way. It's out there. The thing about it is, she only on the road that she is on, that he placed her on. Y'all little ungrateful fuckers. Y'all don't want to drive in y'all own new car. Y'all don't want to cut the ribbon off of y'all road that he give y'all. You understand? She done walked 5 years up and down social media being the same person. Ain't bothering nobody. They know her answers and all of these type of things. Ain't nothing like. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like that. Because enough of we sit down and we say, yo, if I'm me, I probably would have leaked on one of them already. There's a few things that the Lord won't allow this woman to do, to say, or to even give y'all that. That much. Shit changed now. What they gonna go on? Oh, when she had on the dress. Ooh, did you see? Oh, big up yourself, Coco. Mm-hmm. Bless your hands, baby. What is it? Tina by Curve. Oh, yep. Bless them up too. Y'all made her look absolutely beautiful yesterday. That's what I'm talking about. That is it right there. I give God thanks for people like those. Coco that be beating her face and all of that. 50 where? Is that what they mad about? I'm telling you, you cannot cuss or talk about nobody that is obeying this man, yo. A lot of y'all want her to turn around and blah, 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 so y'all can sit there and say, see, I told you. Y'all ain't get that in 5 years. That's half of a decade, baby. That's sad. Half of a decade. You know what that is? That's bad. That is one of the saddest shit there is. All they gonna do is do a screaming match. I don't do none of that. I tell you like it IS is. You could tell they home and they upbringing. Sad. No prominent nowhere around. With absolutely nothing. Nothing. You don't have to show me. Just by how people move along. Y'all ain't got to show me a goddamn thing. Just by how y'all move is what I go off of. Energy. Them bitches ain't got no energy, child. She want to sit there and acting like she older. She older than a woman. Like you got fucking advice. You don't have no advice for no damn body. I got some advice for y'all. And I look up blood clot, turn over, catch up one day him. Him need the Lord more than anybody else. Argument y'all look. Until you can be a man and let me see your balls, that's it. If you can't make a travel and then let me fly out on an emergency because it's an emergency, you ain't saying a goddamn thing. And I'm just keeping it real this Sunday morning. Because what y'all doing is pathetic. Child, they got another one on YouTube. What? Jamaican living in Oregon or something like that. Man, when you take a look through that bitch page over there, man, she got some shit down to kill roaches and stuff. I'm like, well, is it, what is the problem? All of these people that have something bad to say about this woman that never bothered them a day of fucking life. Look at all of them. Look at their living condition. Look at all of their condition, goddamn. This can't be real. Every last one of them. And if their house is clean, they got a dirty ass fucking heart. Who does shit like that? Come on now. Them bitches, they ain't got nothing to offer. They just as trifling when they got their boarding pass to come over here in America or to go overseas some fucking where. I'm going to Africa next, child. Because I'm sick of this shit.